There's something magical about the quiet moments in nature when everything slows down and even the smallest creatures feel safe. Today, a gentle visitor chose me a Sandalwood Defoliator Moth, delicate, silent, and curious. It landed softly on my hand, and if I were just another part of its world. No fear, no rush, just a calm exploration. Its tiny legs move carefully across my skin, feeling, sensing, understanding. In that moment, I realized we are not so different, both just living, both just exploring, both sharing the same space for a brief second in time. It didn't see me as a threat, and I didn't disturb its journey. This is what nature teaches us: patience, respect, and connection. Sometimes the most beautiful experiences are the quietest ones. A small moth, a simple moment, but a memory that will stay forever.